In 1912, a designer named Rafael Fittipaldi designed a heavy machine gun for the Argentine military. Fittipaldi, an Italian immigrant living in Buenos Aires at the time, named the machine gun after himself, calling it the Fittipaldi heavy machine gun. At the time, there was a transition towards automatic firearms, and the value of heavy machine guns was undeniable. Automatic weapons like the Maxim machine gun were also becoming popular in South America. Fittipaldi naturally wanted to catch this trend and design an indigenous machine gun for Argentina. Many details of the Fittipaldi heavy machine gun are unclear, as it was only a prototype gun that was not put into service. The gun fired 7.62 by 53 mm Mauser ammunition and used non-disintegrating metallic belt links for feeding. This caliber was chosen because the Argentine army was equipped with Mauser 1889 rifles, allowing for ammunition standardization. The heavy machine gun was actually a modified version of the Mauser 1889, using a modified barrel and bolt. The bolt was designed for automatic firing, and the feeding mechanism had a rotating drum structure with the belt links attached. During automatic firing, the drum rotated to place the next bullet in position. The heavy machine gun had a spade-shaped grip and a tripod with a small seat. The barrel had a sleeve, which some sources described as a water-cooled sleeve, but it appeared to be more like an air-cooled sleeve, similar to the British Lewis machine gun. The most confusing aspect of the gun was its automatic mechanism. There were two additional metal tubes below the barrel, with one seemingly being a piston structure close to the barrel sleeve. The connecting rod was linked to a component at the muzzle end of the barrel sleeve, which seemed to be able to move backward. It may have utilized the gas from the muzzle during firing, serving as the power source for automatic firing. As for the other metal tube, its function is unclear. It is believed that only one prototype of the Fittipaldi heavy machine gun was built, and it is currently stored in the National Arms Museum of Buenos Aires. Specific performance details such as weight, rate of fire, and effective range are unknown. However, some of the gun's technology was successfully patented in the United States in 1914. The reason the Argentine military did not accept the gun was likely due to its unsatisfactory performance. At the time, the Argentine military had 200 Maxim machine guns, purchased in batches between 1895 and 1898, which were still in use and not considered obsolete. Additionally, the Argentine military did not have a strong military need at the time, leading to the premature end of this gun, which could barely be considered Argentina's own heavy machine gun.